Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics first. Verify your iPhone 11 is on a carrier plan that allows personal hotspot and that iOS is updated. Open Settings and go straight to Personal Hotspot. Enable it. Make sure cellular data is on, then toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so other devices can find you. Once done, confirm the hotspot name and password. This is how clients will connect. If you use USB, connect the phone to the computer now and trust the device when prompted. Start troubleshooting by connecting a single device via Wi-Fi. If that fails, try Bluetooth pairing, then USB tethering. This isolates which interface is broken. If nothing connects, reset network settings. Settings right arrow general right arrow transfer, or reset iPhone right arrow reset network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi and carrier tweaks. Make sure your carrier APN and data limit allow tethering, and once changed, toggle personal hotspot off and on so settings reapply. Reboot the iPhone between attempts to clear temporary glitches. Finish by installing any pending iOS or carrier updates, then restart your iPhone. Updates often fix hotspot bugs. Change the hotspot password, and if possible, the SSID to avoid interference from nearby networks. Make the password strong but simple to type. If problems persist after resets and updates, contact your carrier to confirm tethering is enabled on your account. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent drops continue, test with a different SIM or restore the iPhone from a backup. This reveals whether software or carrier issues cause the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.